Hi Mary, I got your samples in today. I'm going to go ahead and test the snowflake die with your material. I'm going to do the single layer first without the felting on. And we're going to go ahead and lay that on here and see what we can do with it. It looks like top part, with this die, looks like it's leaving a few strings in there and some parts of it. The way this stretchy material is, it might not be a very good match with this type of material, to be honest with you.
Now right, you have a lost on line 1. Now right, you have a lost on line 1, please.
Sorry about that, Mary. And now I'm going to go ahead and try it on the other side, this felted side, to see if that makes any difference as far as the way it cuts. Slide that in. It's kind of doing about the same thing here, Mary. I mean, it'll cut it, but after it gets cut, I believe we're going to have a little issues with the separation of the material itself here. If you can see what I'm talking about, it's going to come apart because it's not sewn in exactly the right spots. I mean, it looks like it's going to cut it okay. And keep in mind that this die is a very intricate die, and it's almost to the limit of our machine. But as you can see, I'll go ahead and pull this out. And as you can see, as I'm pulling, I'm breaking a few strings that did not get cut. So that's going to be another issue. I mean, it cut the pattern out. It actually even cut the little W's, the little triangle, or the W's in here out of the center that I showed you on the rubber piece. Now, and that's with a single layer, so I'm not sure if this is going to be a good fit for you, Mary. I'm going to go ahead and keep this together, and I'm going to wrap this back up and send it back out to you so you can take a look at it with each sample. As I said, the stretchiness of the material is not going to keep it in the same form. I'll try your double piece here. Again, I mean, it's cutting the material. As you can see, the pattern is being cut out. I think the material stretchiness itself, now it seemed to cut the center of the second layer, it seemed to cut it out a little bit better than the first time. And if you pull it and stretch it, it's going to come apart a little bit even farther. Now, as I said, I'm going to go ahead and send this back to you, wrapped up in the same piece that I cut it out of, so that you can actually take a look at it. Now I'm going to go ahead and try your triple layer here. See what we can do with this one. Now, if you notice, I did 2 cuts on that just to make sure I got enough press on it. Again, the stretchiness of the material, I believe, is going to be a little more of a factor than we thought. Now, as you can see, it cut the pattern out very nice on this triple layer. On the 3 layer, it cut it out great. Now, you can take the little W's out of the centers. As you can see, it comes out very easily. Everything cut out. Now, I think the problem with the single layer is there wasn't enough material on there to press down into the mold to give it a good hard cut. Now, this is your triple layer, and I'll go ahead, and this one cut out great. I'll go ahead and send this back to you, and I'll shoot you this video over, and we'll talk about it, Mary. Thank you.